Hello.
I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Great. Can I see you?
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Yeah. This is Sam. People
Sam.
call me Sam.
Sam. Hello, Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. You?
Bangladesh. Okay. I'm from Switzerland, Europe.
Okay. Okay.
So can I ask
Okay.
you a question? I ordered those three graphics, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
The platform. How much do you get paid from the platform?
I'll get paid around $24.
$24. Is it in Bangladesh? What's the average salary you have in the month? So this is good.
For those type of graphics, we normally charge for three graphics minimum $50. But it's totally depend on work. Honestly, we work worldwide, well, and we paid highly.
Yeah.
You know that.
You work for a company or you are private?
No, no, no. I'm private, and I
Okay.
have a team.
You have a team.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, you are the
I'm, uh,
boss.
I'm. Yes, yes.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank
Okay.
you. So let's start our revision.
Yes.
Okay.
Do
I'm going
you
to share my. I'm
yes,
going to share my.
you saw my notes, right?
Sorry.
You saw my notes I send you, my correction. You saw them.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
So what I
yes,
need, it's a show laser. You saw the video.
yes.
It's a laser
Uh,
machine, and this is
yes,
one
yes,
beam, and it will follow the line. And we have to avoid double lines. So I need really reduced graphics,
yes, yes.
right?
I
Okay.
got that. That's why I arranged this meeting. Hope it will easy to done both for us.
Okay, perfect. Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
We'll go ahead step by step. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yes.
Okay. So this is our board. Maybe to reduce this line, right?
Yes. First of all, stop. Can you? Yeah, okay. Go back one step. Go back one step. Can you press Command and Y that we only see the path?
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. Now you see that's the problem. You have to reduce that this is only one single line.
You need to make them with one stroke line, right? I mean
Yes.
to say those line already expanded, not a stroke line. This is single line.
Yes.
But this line, single line, this is already expanded. That's why you can see here like this.
Okay.
So,
I don't need expanded lines.
okay, 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 okay.
If
That's why.
just a
That's
remark, just a remark. If you now zoom in the middle where the two sails are yes, exactly. You see, you have to avoid this. This
okay,
is
okay.
all those lines. This will make the logo looks very. It makes it slow. Then it starts to flash, and we have to reduce all those lines.
Okay, got it. I was confused about this ledger cut single line. Okay, but now I'm clear. You can see this one.
Yes, this is much better, but if you go to those details, go to yeah, exactly this arrow to the right, to the right, to the right. Can I draw to your monitor?
Not actually.
So, for example,
Okay,
yeah,
so
go there. Go,
those fingers should be a single line, right?
single line because I can tell you why. Because the laser, it's not 100% sharp on the walls, on the projection. Finally, this will be couple of centimeters, right? Means
Yes, 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 yes.
if you do a single line, it will be more thick. What you have to avoid, if you go further up above the hands, there are two lines, also a double line. Yes, this one. Exactly. And this as well, you have all removed those details.
Okay. Okay. I'm a little bit confused about this area. Okay. So you mark here that maybe you mark here.
Yes. Yeah. Go back.
Right?
If you
So
see there are 3 lines, yeah, all those 3 lines, they are crossing each other. That's not good. So the left line you have to erase, or even better, if you go to the sample I send you, the sample image.
yeah, I got the sample. I got the sample. No problem. Let me see.
I send you a sample 1.jpg.
Where you send that?
I sent
Sample
you this.
Okay. Yeah.
I send you this over the
one. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah, I can see that.
So those those are super reduced, you see? So, and the lines, they don't have to be close.
Okay.
And if we reduce the length of all the lines, this make the laser more fast. Means in this particular area, which is on your monitor, they can be finished couple of pixel, or let's say couple of millimeters before they met each other. So they don't have to be attached. They can be finished. I quickly do a screenshot. Can I share my screen with you?
Yeah, sure. First, okay. You can share your screen now.
Okay. So, for example, at the moment, it looks like this is vectorized like an auto vectorizer. That's I can do this with the software as well, but that's not what I need. If you draw it, then you can do stop here, and stop here. You see? They don't have to be till here. Means.
Oh, okay.
Means if you see this detail here, right?
Yes.
This is also not closed. This is a super simple graphic.
Okay.
You see like that. They don't have to be close. And if you go now through, for example, by the bear, this area, you can reduce. You can reduce maybe here, do a little gap. And then what's super important, you have to avoid those stubborn lines. Just do single lines here. They can be a little bit shorter here. And I'm not sure about this. I have to test this. This is nice. In general, this is nice to have this. But this little detail here, this takes a lot of time. So this can be reduced like that.
Okay.
Reduced like that, more straight.
Okay.
And then like do just like something like that. You know?
Two finger, like 2 finger.
Yes, for example. So every detail, every line, every centimeter we reduce, it makes the picture better.
Okay.
And what is very important here, don't do this square, just do one line. Just do one line.
Okay.
Just do one line. Because the laser, it's slow. It cannot be it can't project a 90 degrees angle. So it will be, looks like something like that then. And if it's one single line, then it's sharp and it stick anyway, like if you use a brush. But what's important if you open the sample number, the picture, for example, like the Alingi one, there are red horizontal lines on the sail. You see that? You see that picture?
Yeah, I can see that picture.
So this, we don't need the logo on here, but those 3 lines, it's a unique mark. So please take over those 3 horizontal lines on each sail. They don't have to go all the way till here, but something like this.
Okay.
Can
you send me this boat again, please? Can you send me this boat again?
Yeah,
you send me a too much low resolution image before.
Sorry?
You send me too much low resolution image before. That's why I can't see them properly. Okay. It will take maximum an hour. Okay.
And if you have any other questions, just let me know. Do you have any further questions?
About the logo, the third one. The third one.
Which one? Here?
Yeah.
So I'll check this. I don't need this one. It's too complex. I don't need the Red Bull.
We have to make this one more simple, right? Okay.
And this makes it much more simple, right? And also here, this detail, just do that. And also here, it's in this area, it's quite complicated. So it's better to maybe this line, then the face here, it's very important, I guess. But here, I guess it's enough when you do it like that.
So give me an hour, okay? I'm going to fix all.
Okay, perfect.
Thanks for the time.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.